Farho. High performance, low consumption. Major improvements to heat emitter fluid 30 years ago saw the start of a revolution. In the 1980s, Jose Antonio Ojeda Fernandez patented the formula he had created and set up in business to apply the wealth of expertise he had acquired in the heat emitter sector. Thus, the seeds were sown for the creation of Farho, which by 1994 had become the leading company in its field and is the crowning achievement of Mr. Ojeda Fernandez's career. Like all new companies, Farho suffered initial difficulties, but the ambition, dedication, and drive of its people, coupled with excellent product acceptance in the marketplace, saw it steadily consolidate its position over the years. Increasing sales year on year attested to the company's leading role in the electric heating systems market. The growth in sales and production has led to a recent expansion of its facilities, including the automation of assembly, filling, and packaging processes. Its 10,000 square meter plant can produce a radiator every 25 seconds, a manufacturing capacity well able to meet the specific requirements and volume demanded by both the local and foreign markets. But Farho won't be resting on its laurels. It has ambitious short-term growth plans, driven by the international expansion it has already begun. This will mean further growth in turnover, which has already increased tenfold over the last 5 years. Farho means intelligent heating. Intelligence in the creation and use of heat. Farho is a unique heating system. Its heat emitters bring together a great number of the advantages of existing systems, such as the use of injected aluminium and electricity as a source of energy that is easy to use and control. The heating system designed, produced and developed by Farho is based on a heat-conducting fluid with a very low specific heat and high heat inertia that expands easily and rapidly when heated, filling the whole radiator in an almost gaseous state and reaching a high temperature in just a few minutes. A low-power maximum performance resistor is coupled with the fluid and strategically placed in the emitter, allowing the electrothermic conversion and heat flow to be produced with maximum efficiency. Farho means cost-effective heating, cost-effective installation, and maintenance. Years of experience and hard work mean Farho is the most cost-effective product in its range. Installation is simple, requiring no building work, as the unit is simply screwed onto the wall using 2 small brackets. The emitters themselves serve as a template, and the brackets ensure the unit is level. One of the other major advantages of Farho heat emitters is that they consume very little energy, thanks to their low amount of absorbed power, approximately 50% less than a traditional emitter. Furthermore, heat production can be individually programmed on each radiator to suit the space to be heated, thus increasing effectiveness and reducing costs. Farho means versatile heating, made to measure comfort and design. Farho owns proprietary software that performs detailed calculations to establish which radiator is best suited for a given commercial area or home, based on the space to be heated, building materials, orientation, cycles, airflows, etc. The emitter can be configured in various sizes, so it can be adapted to suit the heating needs of each particular room or space. All models are available in 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13 panels, allowing them to fit perfectly into the space provided. Farho means environmentally friendly heating, quality of life. Farho is a pioneering heating system that respects and protects the environment while considerably increasing quality of life. Farho heat emitters are non-polluting, do not change or dry out the air in the room, do not produce gases or smoke, noise or vibrations, and do not burn on contact. The Farho system is environmentally friendly and safe as it doesn't consume fuel, and its unique heat-conducting Faroil fluid is non-toxic and non-corrosive, doesn't emit odors, and doesn't produce stains on the walls or floor. Farho Heating also honors this commitment to the environment in its manufacturing process, ensuring that waste materials are separated and transported to the appropriate recycling stations. Farho means state-of-the-art heating, research, development, and innovation. Farho has patented its heat emitters and its digital time programmable thermostats. Its R&D&I department uses state-of-the-art technology to research and develop innovations with the potential to improve the performance of its products while maintaining minimum energy consumption. Farho pushes the boundaries and innovates. It constantly seeks to optimize technology in the development of its components and further extend its already high performance levels. Faithful to its policy of consistent improvement, Farho's R&D department has developed one of the very few dual climate chambers in existence. This chamber is used for in-depth study and analysis of performance data of our radiators under very diverse climatic conditions. The chamber simulates humidity and internal and external temperatures, creating artificial climates that enable detailed comparison of different heating systems. Farho means quality heating. Guarantees. Farho uses injected aluminium and top quality materials in all its products. These materials mean Farho heat emitters are resistant to wear and tear and corrosion and don't require specific maintenance. The company has enjoyed spectacular growth year after year. It is Spain's market leader in low-consumption heat emitters and is the benchmark for the industry, both in Spain and the rest of Europe. Its many prestigious awards are proof of its national and international recognition. Farho is focused on ongoing improvement, both in product development and customer service. Product Catalogue. Technical specifications. Aluminium injected chassis with white epoxy finish, resistant to wear and tear and corrosion. 1-inch shielded electric resistor, comprising an AISI 304 stainless steel tube with low energy consumption and high heat performance. High temperature Faroil heat fluid with resistance from -40 degrees Celsius to 330 degrees Celsius. High heat conductivity and low steam pressure, especially developed to ensure Farho heat emitters provide maximum performance. Elegance. Model TDE with digital thermostat. The excellent features of the Elegance model combine maximum comfort with a very elegant design and finish. It blends in perfectly with any decor and offers the advantages of state-of-the-art digital technology. Luminous on-off switch. Safety thermostat. Digital thermostat with high precision plus or minus 0.2 degrees Celsius, NTC probe, manufactured using the latest SMD technology, providing constant room temperature data. Digital display with temperature selector. Double-side fairing. Power output from 330 to 1,430 watts. Wall bracket kit included. The Life Control System, the only wireless installation-free system in the world, controlled by radio frequency and offering complete control of your heating. Enjoy total comfort in your home with the Farho Life Station Central and its Farho Zana Plus emitters. Life Station Central. So easy to use. Just follow the instructions. The system can be operated and programmed intuitively. The display has 4 buttons, and its navigation menus are straightforward and easily recognizable. Even setting it up is simple. There are no cables to install. The entire system works on radio frequency, which means there are no limits when it comes to controlling the zones, rooms, and spaces heated by the system. You have total control. Control of spaces, temperatures, on and off times, clock functions, consumption, and power output. Everything is under your control. The temperature is managed more precisely, thanks to 2 sensors that average out the temperature of the space being controlled. System management is carried out via SMS messages in a very straightforward way. With a simple text message, you can find out what you want to know. This all leads to savings, as total control means improved management of energy consumption, making this the most energy-efficient emitter. Life Station Central is a globally unique system. Zana Plus emitter. This model is controlled by intuitive menus, meaning it's very easy to use. The programming menus are available in 10 languages: Spanish, Galician, Basque, Catalan, English, French, Italian, German, Portuguese, and Hungarian. A keypad lock prevents use by children or unauthorized persons. 6 time segments can be programmed for each day of the week and can be displayed and reset at any time. The system comes with default segments that can be personalized by the user. The Zana Plus Farho emitter requires 230-volt power input and can be connected in single-phase or 3-phase systems. Farho means accessible heating. Farho, available to all. As part of its desire to make the quality and versatility of its product range accessible to every home, Farho has established an ambitious marketing and advertising program using various media. Farho intends to be open and honest with potential clients, giving them a true picture of its products and their features. Farho means international expansion. When we look to the future, we see international expansion as one of the cornerstones of our company's growth. Our outlook for the future is optimistic, whilst always adhering to the rigorous standards appropriate for a firm of our standing. One of our major short-term growth objectives is to boost our international expansion. This will mean further growth in sales, which have already increased tenfold over the last 5 years. We have strengthened our export team by bringing in top-level professionals who are carrying out a very important task with impressive results. We have already entered into dialogue with several countries, in addition to the European Union, including, just to name a few, New Zealand, Australia, Chile, and South Africa. Farho is working hard to build significant business partnerships, and we are excited at the prospects and proud of our company's achievements. This is further proof of the quality and strength of our brand. Farho means intelligent heating. Farho means cost-effective heating. Farho means versatile heating. Farho means environmentally friendly heating. Farho means state-of-the-art heating. Farho means quality heating. Farho means healthy heating. Farho means accessible heating. Farho means heating. Heating means Farho. Farho. Intelligent heating.